Have you ever taken a trade and everything looked perfect, clean levels, clean breakouts, but all of a sudden the market turned against you? Not randomly, not by mistake, but because you walked straight into a trap. And the worst part is the level you trusted is the same level that the market used against you. Now, let me simplify it for you guys. A breaker block is a fade level, a zone that looks strong but could not hold. Highs break through it and then comes back, not to expect it, but to use it as a trap. This is where most traders get caught on the wrong side, and that's where the real move begins. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, use the link in the description down below, and follow me on all social media at PZFX. On a bullish scenario, what you see first off, the market is going to left out a break of market structure to the downside and a bearish order block. The market is going to react towards that bearish order block and break structure, retracing back to that breaker block. Now it becomes a breaker block. Now, once the market is retracing back to the breaker block, some people might call it a resistance that turns support, whatever you call it, but this is when the impatient traders comes in. They'll start buying the market immediately. It retraces back to that breaker block or supports that turn resistance, not knowing that the market is creating a trap for them to get in, give them a little bit of profit, and all of a sudden the market is going to drag down, take up all their stop losses and start moving to the upside. So this is on the bullish scenario. Now coming on to the bearish scenario, all you had to do is just to flip the script. First up, a break of market structure to the upside and a bullish order block that the market will react towards it and filled that level. Coming back to that level, you call it a support that is turning resistance, whatever you call it. For impatient traders, they will start selling the market. Immediately the market gets to that support that turn into a resistance and not understanding fully well that it is a trap for them to sell off right here when the market is going to take out all their stop losses and the big move will begin to the downside. Now, this is where most traders feel confident right before they get traps. Now, let me walk you straight into the whiteboard so we get to identify this thing in real life market. So whenever you get to see it, you'll be able to understand what the market is saying so you don't get trapped. Now, let's dive on to the charts. Like I explained earlier on, first off, the market is going to left out a break of market structure and also a bearish order block right here. This bearish order block, the market was reacting towards it previously. So you can call it a resistance right here. Market is reacting towards the resistance. But all of a sudden, we get a strong break to the upside. Now you have to elongate this thing to the future, waiting patiently when the market is going to get there next. Now, a lot of people will see it as a resistance that turns supports, and impatient of them will start buying the market around this region. They want to keep their stop losses below this low right here. And not understanding fully well that the market is luring them into a trap, get them stopped out before a good move begins to the upside. Now, this is just a first example towards it. And let me walk you towards the next example. The market creates a fade order block right here. You can see clearly that this is an order block that the market reacted a little bit right here, but eventually failed and break that level, right? Then you elongate it to the future and see when market get there next. Now, impatient traders, they step into the market around this region and they kept their stop losses below here and waiting for the market to do magic and give them a little bit of profit to the upside, but eventually come back to get them out. So this is a trap. The market is literally creating a trap for you to get in around this region so that they can get to liquidate you before the big move take off around this region. And this is exactly where I bought the market last week, Friday. So use the link in the description down below to follow me on all social media and also on my Telegram community where I share such kind of things like these for free. So now you understand what a breaker block is. It's a fade level that turned into a trap to trap a lot of impatient and early buyers or early sellers in the market. We get to stop them out before the big move even begin. But this is where it gets powerful when you combine breaker block with a fair value gap. That's where precision comes in. In my next video, I will show you my second entry model, a trend continuation setup that I personally use on good to enter strong momentum move and stay with the trend. If you're serious about trading with precision, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Use the link in the description down below and join us on our Telegram community where we share such kind of trade like this for free. And stay tuned to this channel because I share such kind of thing every Monday morning here on YouTube. Thank you for sticking around, guys. Until next time, peace and love.